So Halbert Pipe and Steel has been around since 1954. They're a third generation owner. The man I work for now is the third owner. He's the third in the line of Halberts. He's been running the facility for a little over 40 years. I haven't been with him but about 4 years. It was a big change for me. I came from a manufacturing background in industrial manufacturing and maintenance, and I was kind of thrown in this role to help facilitate the advancement of Halbert. We started out just in the steel business, just selling steel. We did that for years, but as times change and competitors, we got more and more competitors, we had to find a different angle to help fill in and supplement our income. So about 6 years ago, we started manufacturing parts for other industries, the agriculture industry, construction industry. We're cutting out parts with a laser to help facilitate our customer growth. And when I came on board, they had just purchased some lasers and we were cutting parts. And we've purchased several different types of machines, iron workers, press brakes, different things. And I've had an opportunity to deal with other companies, things that keep our business running. My customers are really not interested why I don't have the parts there. They just want them there. So I have to depend on our equipment, our manufacturers to keep me and my business running because I have an obligation. We're not the only people that cut parts. We're not the only people with the laser, with press brakes, with iron workers. There's probably 3 on the block that we work on. So if I don't give them what they want, somebody else will. And one of the big things for me in the role that I play here is keeping our equipment going and keeping this production out. It's very important to me that our equipment runs, that when it's not running, that we get the parts and the support that we need. And I will say some of the equipment that we've bought in the past, I don't get that. And I've lost business because of it. And so I've learned over the years, it's not always just about price, it's about service. And I developed a relationship with a salesman that led me to XOVR now. And I took a chance on him because I trusted my salesman. And I'll have to say, I've been very pleased with the honest effort that they put forth. Their service, I always get a call back. I always get an answer. I get random calls wanting to know how we're running. Is everything going good? So in my line of work, that is an exception with the people that I've dealt with in different types of machinery. So when I find someone that is dedicated to what they sell, and I'm not just another customer that they've made the sale and moved on, that's important to me because keeping that equipment running, keeping things moving is something that if I don't do it, somebody else will. And when you pay top dollar and good money for machines, they got to produce. And I've found that in the short time that we've had XOVR, every time I've called on them, every time I've needed them, I got what I felt like I deserved. I got the answers I was looking for. I got the call back. I got the care and the concern that I haven't gotten from other people. Hopefully this business will continue to grow. And we have many different machines other than just lasers, but when it comes to machinery, if I can get it from someone that I know cares and will support that once I own it, to me that's bigger than just owning it, because I've got to keep it running after the sale. It's got to keep making parts because these machines cost a lot of money and they're not making me money if they're not running. And I appreciate the fact that I feel like with the machine that I bought that I get the answers that I need and I get the support that I need, which is not the normal that I've run into in our situation. So I appreciate that, and I look forward to doing further business with them in the future.